I'm Nicole Antores, your trusted Manager Property Investment. So for today, nandito ako sa SMDC showroom and I will be touring you around sa isa sa mga sample mock-up unit namin sa Sands Residences, which is located siya sa Rojas Boulevard. So tara, let's view the mock-up unit. So, for today, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mock-up unit ng one-bedroom unit with balcony natin sa Sands Residences. So, unit area is 28.52 square meters. So, ito yung project layout. Then, let's go sa pasok tayo. So, pagpasok natin, sa left side ko is yung bathroom and then sa right side ko is yung kitchen natin. So, ito is a sample design para lang magkaroon kayo ng idea kung paano nyo siya pwedeng i-interior yung future unit nyo. Pero upon actual deliverable, meron na tayong overhead cabinet and then may vase cabinet tayo. And then including na din sa deliverable is yung cooktop and also the range hood. So dito, ginawa niya, nilagay niya yung top load washing machine niya. So pwede din naman natin to gayahin or stay as is na cabinet siya. So punta naman tayo sa may toilet and bath. So dito sa toilet and bath, this is just again a sample unit or upgraded na siya, may interior na siya. Pero upon deliverable, meron na, kasama na din yung sink natin, yung toilet, and then yung shower natin. So, upon deliverable din, may mga provisions na din for heater para, kumbaga may nakaabang na rin na electricity and water pump there para mas madali na din natin upgrade yung unit natin. Just in case na we want to install a heater. So, dito naman, ito yung pinaka-dining or sala area ng Sands Residences. So, you can see naman, it's very spacious and kasya dito yung sofa and then, of course, the dining set. From here naman, ito yung ginawa niyang design. Dito niya nilagay yung pinaka-TV niya or entertainment area niya. So, yung iba, ginagawa nila, nag-install sila ng cabinets just to maximize the space. And then, dito naman, usually, pag na-turn over yung unit, meron siyang divider. Pero with this case, ang ginawa niya lang glass yung divider niya to the bedroom. So, let's go. So, here's again, sample kung paano niya din-rest up yung bedroom niya. So, sa one bedroom with balcony, kasya yung double size bed. And then, meron pa din tayong space dito sa gilid for cabinets or pwede rin tayong maglagay ng study area. Then, since this unit is with balcony, so ito pakita ko lang din na kung gaano kalawak yung magiging balcony natin. So, dito sa balcony, it's still spacious. So, pwede pa rin tayo maglagay ng coffee table or anything na small plants. So, it's up to you po kung paano nyo siya i-decorate or gagawan ng lalagyan ng mga gamit dito. So, tour ko kayo sa overall look ng Sands Residences. So again, ito yung pinaka-area natin, which you can see it's a decent space naman. It's really good for investment or end use ka man. And what's good thing about this project is facing siya sa Manila Bayview. So imagine, 'di ba, kung ang unit mo is facing the Manila sunset, every day maganda yung view mo. Sunset or sunrise, you'll have the view of the sea and of course the sunscraper. So, for more info and for project details or schedule ng trippings, you can contact me through my Facebook, SMDC by Nicole Antores, or through my number. So, yung number ko is connected with WhatsApp. Viber, and Telegram. So, my number is 0977-4797-594. And good news din, for a limited time only, meron tayong 10% discount dito sa Sands Residences. And ang kagandahan is, makakakuha ka na ng unit dito for as low as 18K monthly lang. So, again, I'm Nicole Ann Torres, your trusted manager property investment. I'm always free and you can always contact me anytime, anywhere. So again, I'm looking forward to help you with your condo investment. Thank you.